previously on Sarah Jane and Isla. We have just planned our day very quickly. We're going to go to Raju's strawberry farm, and then after that it's a 5-minute walk to the butterfly farm. We are walking to the butterfly farm. Very nice to be around so much greenery. It rains in the afternoon. Looks like the grey clouds are already setting in. It's 12:30? 1:30. And we've still got the butterfly farm and the bee farm. Otherwise we're going to get rained on, and I didn't bring any rain jackets or umbrellas or anything. On the side of the road, we've got another strawberry farm here. Good, it's getting a little bit wider where we're walking. For a second there we were right next to the cars. Big traffic over there. But now we've got lots of space. I'm not going to get bumped in my butt by these cars coming up behind us. But I can still feel the breeze as they're coming. We just got splashed in the face by a sprinkler as we're walking. Did you get wet, Isla? Yeah. Alright, I just checked the map and it's not too far away. Just around a few bends. Okay. Yeah, I see a sign. It says Zoomania Butterfly Farm. Maybe that's it. I'm gonna check the map. Okay, so there's actually two places that are close to each other. I just thought I'd check because it was called Butterfly Zoomania and then the other one's called Butterfly Garden. So the first sign you see is not for the butterfly garden. It's all different animals and farm type of thing. But we want to go just to the butterfly one. So I just checked on Google Maps and you could take a look at the photos of what each one looks like inside just by pressing on the location. And the butterfly one looks a lot better. Good dog! Hello there! Yeah! So this is the ticket counter for the butterfly garden. And when you're walking down you can see the sign there for it where they've got the plants for sale. Okay, so we just got our tickets. It's 10 for adults and 5 for children. This is the butterfly I was telling you about, Isla. See this butterfly over here on the wall? I saw one of these on the road as we were walking down here and blend in with the moss and all the leaves. Oh, Isla, I found one over here on the ground. Ooh, don't touch it, remember? But look, beautiful. It looks kind of like it's furry. I've done something to my camera settings and I think it might look a little bit better, but the stabilization is not as good. So I'm sorry if it's a bit bumpy, but I think the quality looks a little bit better. You think I would have looked into all of this before I started traveling, knowing that I was going to be filming it all, but I guess I was just more interested in telling the stories and getting over the fear of speaking to a phone camera in public, that I didn't really think to look up settings. And the iPhone's got so technical now. It's got all these shutter speeds and everything. Oh my god. I was wondering why the normal camera settings were not available. I was filming in slow motion. So pretty much everything I just shot is unusable. I'm gonna go back and do it again. I'll show you the butterflies again, don't worry. Oh, here comes one! Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's gone.
Oh, I'm trying to see it. I love it. So beautiful.
Yeah, it looks so pretty. And look at this one with the black and the green. It's so well camouflaged.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, it's perfect, isn't it? For hiding. And then we've got some guys hanging up out there. Got a little frog. Ooh, I spotted some nice big white flowers coming up. Let's go this way. Turn around and stop. Straight ahead. Look at the big white flowers, yeah! It blends in with these yellow and red flowers. Magical. Got a talking as well.
I think the green one has been that fun.
What is it? Ah, green-eyed gecko. Oh, don't tap the glass, because look, he's right here. I might scare him, but look at his eyes. Can you see his eyes, Isla? Come over here. Come over here. Can you see his eyeballs? They're all green. That's why he's called the green-eyed gecko. We have these in Australia. Rhinoceros beetle. In the corner is a tarantula. Is a Malaysian earth tiger tarantula. See inside the coconut ball there?
Yeah.
No, this one here. Can you see inside there? Come closer.
Yeah.
It is the cat-eyed gecko.
Ooh.
What's a gecko sleeping? Okay. You want to go down this way? Oh, look at this guy down here. Rabbit, lizard, kambing. What's a kambing? I don't know. Guinea pig and museum. Let's go. Look at us looking out for the rabbits. Oh, I can see where the rabbit is. Looking out for the lizard. Looks like we have a snake here, Isla. Malay green whip snake. Oh, there he is. Look, just here. So tiny, so thin. Thin little snake.
I see good.
What do you see? Oh, lizard. What is this guy? A horned tree lizard.
Oh, I didn't know that. I didn't follow that.
No.
I'm in the tree.
Yeah. We missed some. So there's a little guy hanging out under there. And then right up here, there's a bigger one in there.
Oh.
Yeah. There's the cute little bunnies. Hi, bunnies.
I really like bunnies.
Yeah, I really love bunnies too. I like this little one with the brown ears. This is my favorite. This one. I love this one. Oh, so sweet. It's got blue eyes and a black scruffy bum.
I like the mama one.
Chickens!
Look at that.
Look at that chicken with the black and the oh my goodness, it looks like it's got a pretty dress on with the black and the cream. There we go, isn't that beautiful? I don't know what kind of chicken that one is, but it's very pretty. He's come up to say hello. Hi there. Hi there, pretty girl. Or boy. Peacock in the back. Hi, peacock. Look at these beautiful blue flowers. Just up here. It's called jade vine. Jade vine. Yeah. I've never seen blue flowers before. Not in the wild anyway. Amazing. These are the blue flowers up close. How amazing. What, I found one that was on the ground. Okay, we just stopped and ate half of the strawberries we picked this morning because we're getting a little bit dizzy. We kind of missed lunch because we had scones just a little bit before lunch. And now we're here. That's okay. Strawberries did the trick. They were nice and yummy, nice and juicy. And we'll have a proper lunch after we're done with here or the beef farm. Oh, what have you found? Some sheep or goats? Goats.
Yeah, go.
Goats. Hello.
Hello. It's running my hand.
Yeah. Having a little sniff. See what you're all about.
I don't have any food. This is my bag. I have no food.
All the sheep and the goats have just become very excited because someone's got some food. We'll have to get some food to feed them, Isla. You want to feed the goats?
You want to try yourself?
So flat in your hand. Love, love. Yeah, like that. Ah! Yeah. Whoop. Oh, there you go. The nice people gave Isla some to feed with the goats. Aww.
I'd like to listen my dad.
Yeah. Ah, you want to give some to the baby, Isla?
Yeah.
Go down over there. Okay, go low, Isla. So brave, Isla.
It's licking you my finger. It's eating the dog.
You want to be friends, Isla? Yeah, you can be friends. They look like a peace lily, but normally that is in white. Oh, they're all coming! Ah, I think maybe we could have fed them some food as well. I'll come in and check if we have food. Hi guys, sorry, we already gave all that food away. We didn't realize we could feed you.
All the people come for the money.
You throw a coin in, you hit one of the poor fish in there.
Mama wants to look for more animals.
Yeah, we're going to go to the bee farm next. You ready for that? It's just around the corner. It's okay. Isla just got an apple, sour apple and strawberry ice block to try. It's 2 ringgit.
Yummy.
Yummy? Okay, we just started walking again. We're gonna go this way so it's a bit safer than walking on the side of the road. Cute little archway. Some mushrooms on the other side. I think it might be the front of a hotel or something. We just spotted this fish that I thought was a whale. I was just over there eating her ice cream. Have a look over here. What do we got over here? Ah, some reindeers. And an elephant, of course. The perfect combination. Okay, I'm so hungry now, so we need to go find somewhere to sit down and eat something proper. You too? Awesome. Okay, so we're kind of at a little shopping centre, so hopefully we'll find something good here. I noticed that in Malaysia they really celebrate Christmas. They have some really nice decorations. We walked inside to find Domino's, but I couldn't see it in the shopping centre. Instead, we found another pizza place that also does Middle Eastern looking food, so they've got hummus, which is awesome because we have not been able to find any beans since we've been traveling. Of course there's beans in Indian food, but Indian food is spicy and then Isla can't have it. So we just ordered a hummus so we can eat some beans for the iron and protein.
That's what that.
Yeah.
Hello, Katika, the Vacucada.
So the hummus is $14.80. And pizza. Pizza. Where is the pizza? Pizza. And Isla chose the vegetable pizza. It's $27.60. This is our hummus just arrived with a bread basket.
I like the bread.
Yum. And here's our pizza. Looks yummy, aside from the tinned mushrooms, but that's alright, it'll still be yummy.
Yummy!
Go for it! Okay, so I'm completely stuffed again. I ate as much as I could, but I think we're gonna have to take the rest of that pizza home. So that will be Isla's dinner. And I don't think I'll be eating dinner. Might just have a snack or a milk drink or something. Yeah, so one. I need one more. One more to ride this guy. You want to put them in here? Okay, take one at a time. Put it in the hole. Oh, you did it! We've just started walking to the bee farm. Haven't seen any actual bees yet. Here's your adventure. Bees, look at that beautiful painting. Tanarata, Cameron Highlands. Look at those mountains. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We're riding. This is your first time riding in a car? How's your tea safari? Yeah, Isla. Big waterfall. Dessert with a